So guys, during this 7 hours workshop, 6 hours workshop, whatever you like, whatever, it's going to help other people. What aspects of this workshop or syntaxes that we discussed about, what is going to help in your own career or day-to-day job? And would you like to suggest to other people to do this workshop, so that they can also get ahead in their career and also save a lot of time on their work? So over to you. Who would like to go first?
So let me take first. Thank you for this opportunity. And overall, I found the session to be very informative and engaging. And I know Ketan personally. So he did an excellent job. And it's Rahul, you and everyone have helped this to go into. Um, I could not even see that, okay, we have spent almost 6 to 7 hours here, in learning the concepts. So what I liked most about the prompt clustering and exercising, like hands-on exercising on different platforms, and we're comparing, we are learning, more from each other, sharing and asking questions. Okay, so this hands-on exercise is going to be helpful for me, and when I do with my product managers, product owners. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity.
Thanks, Praveen.
We go next. First of all, thanks, Vijay, Agile Waters for the session. And I know Ketan and his talk, both in that Hyderabad conference and also in our RSG Pune, had become a huge hit. Talk along with you, so that motivated me to join the session. Though I haven't attended the talk actually because I was another track. I was doing other stuff. So this is really interesting. And overall, I've been using AI, but this clustering is something which is quite interesting part, like where we can cluster. I was basically thinking that the prompts should not exceed more than certain words or certain characters. But today, I mean, with clustering, we were able to handle paragraphs and paragraphs of prompting, which in fact saved time. In fact, I would say. And this I would really recommend for folks who are into product ownership journey and also in product management journey. And one recommendation I would like to give is suggestion probably is we'll have to split this course for product owners separately and product managers separately because um, uh, I mean conceptually the framework which is a 3 letter I would say I'm pretty much novice here, so I could say the 3 letter framework and the 4 letter framework because the shorter time is spent on the 3 letter framework and the 4 letter frameworks are or the 5 letter frameworks or whichever frameworks which you are going to design that will get more complex. So for that to happen, so combining both PO and PM would be a huge thing. So probably you'll have to split it separately for product managers and split it separately for POs. As you rightly told, Vijay, a person knowing AI, delivering things is something really wonderful with respect to that, and his visibility is something which would be there in the market. So thanks again, and thanks Rahul for co-facilitating it. Thank you.
Thanks, Venkat. Uday?
Yeah. So good evening all. First of all, thanks to Agile Waters, Vijay Bade, then Ketan, Rahul, mentors, friends, colleagues. Okay, and always support you. And regarding today's session, it was great learning, starting from the beginning, new concepts and prompt engineering, how to train your prompt. That is what. And one more thing is, rather than checking only in one tool, why not check in this different tool? Like we have tried Gemini, then we tried the ChatGPT, we tried the Cloud. So same prompt in the different tools, different objectives, different outputs. Another thing is collaborative learning from each other. And 6 hours or the 7 hours what we spend today, it's like awesome sitting on the same chair with a lot of breaks and hands-on session. It was like whatever the objective we have, I have mentioned prior to starting the session. I'm satisfied with the session. Thank you. I again request everybody, definitely recommend to go through. As Vijay says, one of the quote, AI will not change your job. You have to learn and up to the market. So thanks. Thank you again. Good evening, all.
Thanks, Uday.